Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss the format and guidelines for writing a newspaper report for competitive exams. Now there are different types of newspaper reports. In this video, I'm going to deal with reporting an accident. In my future videos, I will discuss how to write reports on other events. Now when you are reporting an accident, you should remember that accidents are of various types. Street accidents, train accidents, boat capsizal, air crash, fire, house collapse, and so on. Now let us come to the basic format of writing a report. First, at the top of the page in the middle comes the title. The title should preferably consist of 3 to 7 words. The initial letter of each word in the title should be in capital. Below the title, you must mention by a staff reporter or by a special correspondent. Next, on the left side, mention the place and date. Now comes the body of the report. Now, the body of the report should include the following points: the day, time, and place of the accident, the type of accident, that is, whether it's a bus accident, a train accident, an air crash, a boat capsizal, a fire breakout, house collapse, and so on. Next, the cause of the accident. Next, number of people killed and injured. And last of all, other damages and rescue operation and measures taken. You may begin the report in the following way. 2 persons, including a woman, died and 4 others suffered serious injury when a taxi collided against a van at the hospital road on Saturday evening. Or, a 50-year-old man was run over and killed by a speeding lorry on Bombay Road near Bagnan on Monday afternoon. Remember that the total number of words for the body of the report must be restricted to 200 words. So now let's come to the basic guidelines for writing a report. First, about the title. The title should preferably consist of 3 to 7 words, and the initial letter of each word in the title must be in capital. Now let us come to the guidelines for writing the body of the report. First, use the third person point of view. Second, use passive voice. For example, the car was hit by a truck. Third, avoid giving personal opinions and judgments. Do not express your personal feelings, sentiments, or emotions. The tone should be detached and objective. Never use expressions such as I think, I believe, we feel, we should, etc. Fourth, you may directly quote words spoken by authorities such as political leaders, high officials, and important personalities. Fifth, the length of the body of the report should be limited to 200 words. I am now reading out a sample report for you. Bus skids, killing 3. By a special correspondent. Howrah, February 25th. At least 3 persons were killed and more than 70 people were injured yesterday when a private bus skidded off the road and overturned. The accident occurred at 10 a.m. near a curve in front of Howrah Fire Brigade Station. The Howrah-bound private bus, running at breakneck speed, suddenly skidded off the road and overturned while negotiating the curve in front of the fire brigade station. As a result, 3 persons were killed on the spot and 73 others were injured. The injured persons were rushed to the Howrah General Hospital, from where some of the victims were let off after they had been given first aid. Others were hospitalized. An irate mob set fire to the bus. a contingent of police reached the spot and resorted to lathi charge to disperse the angry crowd. Movement of traffic in the area was disrupted, resulting in traffic jam for about 2 hours. So friends, I think these guidelines will really help you to score great marks in report writing in your exam. Keep watching my channel and don't fail to like, share and subscribe.